So one of the things is great about Citizens Bank and the business credit cards is that that business card actually reports to the business credit bureaus, which is kind of rare, right?
Yeah. Most business credit cards don't report to business bureaus. And so essentially it doesn't like build business credit, right?
Yeah.
Except Citizens does. And so that's a super, super big perk. But being able to have something report your business credit is huge because now you're establishing credit for your LLC or your corporation, and it could stand on its own and essentially apply for things just using your EIN once it's a really robust credit report.
How long would you recommend doing some transactions in your account before you apply? What's like a good gauge or rule of thumb?
Yeah, so I always like to tell people that it's a good rule of thumb about 30 days, so a whole month. You can technically get away with applying same day or a week tops, like you open an account and then you apply. But best practice, I've seen the best results is when you aren't so fast to apply and you
Is this one of those banks where you apply inside, or is there ever really a good situation where you apply online?
No, I would say definitely if you don't have a relationship manager, meaning somebody in the bank that hands your application over to
Yeah,
like
local
an
business
actual,
banker.
yeah, like an actual underwriter. I would say go inside the branch.
Yeah.
That's your best second bet. I would never try to apply online.
Yeah.
I would discourage people to do so.
Because
But
having a local banker pushes the app through a lot better.
exactly. So that's just a local banker, but you could take it up a notch and do it through a relationship manager. Most of them, they aren't at a bank specifically. They work remote, so it's kind of harder to get access to them. But if you work with a company like ours, we have access to them
Yep.
and then boom, application is done through them directly. You don't even have to go to the branch most times.